This is weather radio station WXK40 Janesville, on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, serving listeners throughout much of south-central Minnesota. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 16, effective until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Faribault, Freeborn, Rice, Steele and Waseca. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio or television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.